Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to do a little decor for Patrick Day. One is flat and another one is puffed. So let's start it. We are going to do the flat one first. So for the flat one, we first need to do a magic ring just like this. And then we put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, yarn over, do one chain, and yarn over once, do one more chain. In here, we need to do a double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook into the hole, yarn over, go through the first two loops, and then yarn over, go through two loops. This is a double crochet. Then we need to do a half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through the three loops on our hook. Then we need to do one more double crochet. We yarn over here, put our hook in, yarn over, go through first two loops and then two loops. In here we need to do two chain. This is first chain and second one. We put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. So this is one leaf. We need to do three of them in total. In here we first do two chain and then a double crochet. We yarn over here, put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through first two loops, then two loops. Then is a half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, and then yarn over, go through three loops at once. And here is a double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through two loops, and yarn over, go through two loops. Then is two chain. First one, second one, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We need to repeat the whole thing one more time. Two chain first, and then a double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through two loops, and then yarn over two loops. Then is a half double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through three loops at once. A double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through two loops, then two loops. Then is a two chain and a slip stitch. Put our hook into the hole, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do 5 chain. After the 5 chain, we can snip off. So in here we need to pull this end from the very beginning to close the circle in the center. And then we just weave the end in and snip off. For the little end, you can just cut it short like this, or you weave it in, will be look like this. And then for the puffed one, we need to do a double magic ring. We do this, and in here we yarn over not once, but twice, like this. So there are two circles. And then we put our hook in. First, we need to do 4 chain. We yarn over here and yarn over. This is the first chain. We need to do 3 more. So after the 4 chain, we need to do 5 unfinished double crochet. I think it also called like a puffed stitch. We yarn over and then put our hook in. We yarn over here, yarn over, only go through the first two loops. So this is like a unfinished double crochet. We repeat it 4 more times. Yarn over here, put our hook in, yarn over, go through only the first two loops. This is the second one, and the third one, yarn over, go through the first two loops. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through only the first two loops. And then yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the two loops. So after the 5 unfinished double crochet finish, we yarn over, go through all of the loops at once, and then we do 4 chain. We put our hook into the hole, yarn over, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. So that is the first leaf. We need to repeat 2 more times. We do 4 chain to start. And then we do 5 unfinished double crochet, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through the first two loops. This is the first one. We need to do 4 more. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. We need to do 1 more, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through only the first two loops, and then yarn over, go through all the loops at once. In here we do 4 chain, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 4 chain to start our next one, and then 5 unfinished double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through only the first two loops, and repeat it 4 more times. So after the 5 unfinished double crochet, we yarn over and then go through all the loops at once. In here we do 4 chain, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 5 chain, and then snip off. So when closing it, we first pull this hand, and to see which of the 2 strings is moving. Is this one? We can see this one is shorter than this one, than this half. And then we just pull the one that is moving by pulling this string, and the other one will be closed. And then after we got something like this, we just pull this end to close this half. So that's it. We just need to weave those in. You can cut it short, just like this, or you can weave those in like this one. So that's about this video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.